Hey everyone, okay, so firstly, I have a cold. I feel absolutely awful, I really do. It's been a while since I've had a proper cold like this, so just feeling really sorry for myself. A lot of people when they're sick, they sleep a lot. I'm the other way around. So I was up at 3:30 this morning, excuse me, so just feeling pretty rotten. Okay, so Trump won. Now this is not a political video. I have no interest in where your political siding lies. It's none of my business. As long as you are kind to me, that's all I care about. And this video isn't a political one, even though it may sound it. It's actually asking a question, because as somebody that lives in the UK, we see, I think, or I'm wondering, a very different side than perhaps you do who if you actually live in the United States. And around 50% of my subscribers are from the United States. So you're the best people to ask. When we see the events going on here, it is hysteria. It is people shaving their heads and screaming and crying and throwing themselves to the floor. That's what we see here in the UK. And I'm wondering, is that really what's going on in the US? Or are we just seeing a really messed up version of events in order to get clicks, in order to get airplay and time and all that kind of stuff? Or, and I wonder if this is partly it as well, because you have something in the US that we don't have here in the UK, which is freedom of speech. We do not have that in the UK. We can literally such a terrible word, we can be put in prison for the things we say here in the UK. And in the States, you generally have freedom of speech. It's a wonderful thing that we lack here. And I wonder if that's why there is more outspokenness, more hysteria than we have here. Our government previously was a conservative government and was pretty shocking. Didn't really do anything good. And then Labour got in just recently. And I think everybody was really excited about that and thought that there was going to be something wonderful happening. And it turns out that they are just as bad, if not worse, than the people who were currently in. And interestingly enough, the recent polls show that over 56%, I think it is now, of people who voted in this new government here in the UK regret it and wish they hadn't. And I think our current Prime Minister has one of the lowest ratings now. And it's interesting because I wonder if you see that in the States the same way that we're seeing it, or if you get a skewed picture of things. So that's what this video is about. Because half of you are based in the US, is it the hysteria that I'm seeing on social media? Or is it just like, I'm glad with the result, if you're that way inclined? Or I'm disappointed in the result, if you're that way inclined? Let me know. It's a fascinating topic for me. I think media is, in general, absolutely vile. I think it pollutes, twists, distorts reality and truth. And I think it should be illegal to do those things. If you are the media, you should only be able to report on absolute facts. No bias, no left, no right, facts. That is it. But let me know. Interesting conversation. Be kind to each other. Please don't behave poorly in the comment section, please. We can all have our own religion, our own beliefs, our own political leanings, and all get on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.